Hi, and welcome back. So I have another MacBook Pro accessory. Looks really cool. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. It's really nice. It's just a nice, for good housekeeping on your MacBook Pro or any laptop, really. It's not only for a MacBook Pro. That's what I happen to be using it on. I also have a Windows PC, so I'll probably use it for both. But yeah, so what it is the OXO Good Grips Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. Okay, so I'm going to open this and show you exactly what's involved here, what it looks like, what it does, what it has. So we're going to pull this tab. We're going to pull this in. Okay, so we've got it unboxed. So here it is. So the brush retracts. You push this up and it locks. It won't just slide. You have to push in and slide down. So the brush, I'm going to turn the camera around here. So the brush, sorry about that. So the brush is basically, you can clean your keyboard, any crevices, cracks, keep it clean, right? Keep it nice and clean. Okay? Now, the other part is up here, you take this lid off, and it's like a felt microfiber covered piece, and it's for wiping your screen down. Okay? Really cleans it well. I mean, takes off, it's good for taking off fingerprints, dust, anything. It's really nice. So, and then you can just put your lid back on. And it's very compact. Let's turn. It's very compact. When you're not using it. When you do need it, you just pop the brush out and it locks in place. Push in and push it down and it pulls it in nice and neat. Again, this just pops off and it can clean your screen. And there you go. See, it even picked up, you can see it picked up some debris from the screen. So it's really good. Nice little product. Was not expensive. I think it was $10. Again, I'll put the link where you can purchase it in the description. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button, okay? It really does help. And have a great day, and we'll see you next time.